Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome once again to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be doing something different. So it's nearly Christmas time by the time I publish this video, and I'm trying to get organized. I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking, so I decided to get some new stuff for my kitchen. So I bought some stuff from Le Creuset, 3 pieces, um, a casserole, sorry, a round casserole, a shallow round casserole, and an oval shaped casserole. And also I bought a spoon rest as well, um, just because. So for those who are not so familiar with the Le Creuset brand, so they are the makers of the iconic premium quality enameled cast iron cookware, or the casseroles that you see on Instagram quite often. And they're actually quite famous for the way they handcraft and the way they individually inspect their casseroles, basically. So every piece is unique according to them because they use individual hand molds. So I bought 3 different shapes because I cannot stand just one shape. So the first one that I'm unboxing now is the shallow casserole, and it's in the color meringue. And of course, each box comes with a product care or manual booklet. So the shallow casserole that I got is a 30 centimeter one, and it's a 30 centimeter in diameter, and I believe it's got like a 3.5 liter capacity. So that's what it looks like. It's got a white enameled interior. I can imagine myself doing a lot of stir fries and making fried rice in it, and also browning some meat. So that will be the primary purpose of this shallow casserole. But it looks really good. I love the off-white, the monochromatic design of it. So this is the round casserole. I got the 28 centimeter one, so it's kind of biggish, and it's in the color fig, kind of like pale purple. So the knobs are in silver, kind of chrome finish. So these casserole I'm going to be using for big batches of soups or boil ups or stews, or maybe for my meal prep. So yeah, it's such a pretty color. I really like this one, and I love the size of it. That sticker on the side of the casserole, we are actually meant to remove that before we use it, because according to some Le Creuset experts, if we don't remove that sticker, we're gonna end up damaging the enamel on the casserole. So the third item is the the oval shaped casserole. Initially, I was a bit hesitant to get this one because it's a 29 centimeter and the round casserole is 28 centimeters. So I thought they just have the same capacity, but it's good that I followed my gut and still bought it, because it's a lot shallower than the round casserole. So it only has a capacity of 4.7 liters. So it's 2 liters less than the round one. So this will be perfect for just everyday use, and maybe for baking as well. So it's in sage color, and which is really pretty. Yeah, so it also has a silver chrome finish knob. But obviously they're all interchangeable. You can purchase different colors from the website. And then the last item is just a spoon rest. We actually saw this one in our friend's kitchen, and we were like, okay, we gotta get this one, because we used to just have bowls or like the chopping boards as spoon rest in our kitchen. So this one is stoneware, so it's not metallic or cast iron or anything. So it's a little bit fragile. So it's one of the cheapest items in the Le Creuset store, actually. So it's something really nice to have in someone's collection if you're a Le Creuset fan. So this is the entire Le Creuset haul. Um, I can't wait to use these casseroles. I can imagine myself creating magic in the kitchen already. The house that we're moving to, we're gonna have like an induction cooktop there. We currently have gas hob in our kitchen in our current house, but yeah, these casseroles work in different cooktops. So yeah, I'm super excited. Um, I think they're a really good investment because you are investing in quality, durability, and obviously the design and the craftsmanship. So I think these are must-haves. They're good value for money, and obviously, for sure, they will sort of outlive you. That's what most Le Creuset fans say. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I would really appreciate if you guys would subscribe to my channel or like this video. So yeah, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Merry Christmas!